Sorry Jamal.
But if we go to a cat cafe,
قطة. I'm the beauty queen.
Hey guys, in previous video we talked about the situations in which we use the nominative case or رفع. Today we'll discuss when to use the accusative case or نصب. So let's start. First, if you don't know how to mark the accusative case, I recommend you to watch these two videos. There are so many situations in which you should use نصب. Today we'll discuss 4 of them. If you remember from the previous video, subject is the one who does the action in the sentence, and it's usually put in the nominative case. Direct object or al-maf'ul bihi. Al-maf'ul bihi in Arabic is an object or a person that undergoes the action. For example, let's imagine that I beat my camel Jamal. Who did that? I did, so I'm the subject. But who was beaten? The camel. So he underwent this action and he is the object. ضربت الجمل. ضربت الجمل. We put الجمل in the accusative case by adding fatha at the end. الجمل. الجمل. Just kidding. I will never do that.
Sorry Jamal.
Isn't he cute? Another example. He wrote a letter. كتب رسالة. كتب رسالة. Who is hero? Who accomplished the task? He. So it's the subject. And what was written? The letter is the object, and we put it in the accusative case by adding 2 fathas. كتب رسالة. كتب رسالة. Or الرسالة. الرسالة if we're talking about a certain letter. Another example. She read the book. قرأت الكتاب. قرأت الكتاب. Who is the actor here? She. She read the book. So it's the subject. And what was read? The book. So it's the object and we put it in the accusative case by adding fatha. الكتاب. الكتاب. قرأت الكتاب. The second situation is when the subject goes after the particle inna. Inna, which is translated as indeed. It's widely used in the Quran and we use this particle to emphasize the meaning. For example, Inna al-binta jamilatun. Inna al-binta jamilatun. To sound more natural, you can pronounce it as Inna al-binta. Inna al-binta jamilatun. And the subject goes after this particle, inna, so we should put this subject in the accusative case by adding fatha. Inna al-binta jamilatun. Inna al-qittata halwatun. Inna al-qittata halwatun. The cat is cute.
What do you mean by cute? Just cute? I'm the beauty queen.
Okay, but they already had this example. Let me use the word halwa so that they learn more vocabulary.
Okay, but only for now. When they learn how to mark idafa, they should say only the beauty queen about me.
Okay, dear. So, indeed, the cat is cute. As you probably guessed, our actress, our subject here is al-qitta, the cat, and it goes after the particle inna, so we should put it in the accusative case by adding fatha. Inna al-qittata halwatun. Inna al-qittata halwatun. Inna al-jamala dhakiyun. Inna al-jamala dhakiyun. The camel is clever.
Thank you, Julia.
You're welcome. At least someone is grateful for the compliments.
What have you just said?
Nothing, dear. You're the most beautiful, the smartest, and the most genius.
Okay.
I guess I have a grammar topic for our next video. So, Inna al-jamala dhakiyun. Indeed, the camel is smart. Our subject goes after the particle inna, so we should put it in the accusative case. Inna al-jamala. Inna al-jamala dhakiyun. By the way, there are so-called the sisters of Inna, but we don't have time for them today. Sorry, girls. The third situation is linked to the word كم. كم is the question word which means how many. For example, how many cats are in this room? A very useful phrase, Yulia. People always count cats in rooms. But if we go to a cat cafe, it can be useful. إن الدرس مفيد. Indeed, the lesson is useful. So, after question word كم, we use singular indefinite noun in the accusative case. كم قطة في الغرفة. كم قطة في الغرفة. How many cats are in the room? قطة is singular because قطة is one cat, not many cats. It's accusative because we wrote فتحة, and it's indefinite because we didn't write al and we wrote تنوين. كم كتابا في البيت. كم كتابا في البيت. How many books are in the house? كتابا is singular because kitab is one book, not many books. It's accusative because we said كتابا with fathas, and it's indefinite because it doesn't have alif lam and it has tanween. كم فنجانا على الطاولة. كم فنجانا على الطاولة. How many cups are on the table? Someone drinks a lot of coffee. It's better not to count. فنجانا is singular because finjan is one cup, not many cups. It's accusative because we wrote fathas, and it's indefinite because it doesn't have alif lam, it has tanween. And the last situation for today, the accusative case is used with adverbs of time. ظرف الزمان. ظرف الزمان. For example, زرت جدتي اليوم. زرت جدتي اليوم. I visited my grandma today. And today is the adverb of time because we can ask the question when. When did you visit your grandma? And the answer will be today, اليوم. So we put it in the accusative case by adding فتحة. اليوم زرت جدتي اليوم. جلس أحمد لحظة. جلس أحمد لحظة. Ahmed sat for one moment. And لحظة is an adverb of time here for a moment, and we put it in the accusative case by adding two fathas. لحظة. لحظة. جلس أحمد لحظة. ذكرت أسبوعا واحدا. ذكرت أسبوعا واحدا. I studied for 1 week. How much time did I study? For 1 week. So it's our adverb of time, and we put it in the accusative case. أسبوعا واحدا. ذكرت أسبوعا واحدا. Let's revise everything that we've learned today. The accusative case is used with المفعول به, المفعول به or the direct object. ضربت الجمل. ضربت الجمل with the particle إن. إن القطة حلوة. إن القطة حلوة with the adverb of time. ذكرت أسبوعا واحدا. ذكرت أسبوعا واحدا and with the question word كم. كم قطة في الغرفة. كم قطة في الغرفة. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to always stay informed about my next videos. And you can check other grammar videos right here on the right side. By the way, أحب القطة.
قطة؟ كم قطة؟
Oh, I'm sorry, Noodles. Of course I love you too. It was just an example. See you in the next video. Bye!